Greetings, this is Walt Weir, and I am going to be from Johnson County Community College, and we're going to be talking about exercise 9, chapter 9. And just be straight with you guys, I am not going to have you open up any accounts. So you do not have to do 9.1 because it says here that you have to open up these accounts with the system, and it tells you all the stuff you put in here. And I can't make you open up accounts you don't need. If you have a Windows 2000 or Windows 10 box and you already have this installed, please go ahead and do the lab on your own. But I can't make you open up an account. In my head, I can't do this. 9.2 is the same way. You can't do this one either. We'll do it in the classroom, of course. We'll make up some phony name and see if that works. So 1 and 2 we aren't going to do. Also the last one we're not going to do too. So we want to go into 9.3 is the first lab that we're requiring to do. And we click on this, log into the device, click start, settings, go to system. And from here, you want to go to default apps. This is one I use quite often just to set what I want to do, because a lot of these things I don't ever want to open. I don't use them. But in this case, we're going to go to Microsoft Edge and choose IE. I don't know what's going on with this, but normally it comes up with a warning message that Microsoft Edge is so much faster, and they'll ask you to try it. This one doesn't. I don't know why. They want you to print screen. I don't care. Then they want you to hit reset back to factory default, and it goes back to Microsoft Edge. Now, choose the default app by file type. And you can see all the different file types here. In this case, you want to change the photo to paint. So we want to go where photo is. Oh, gift. You want to go to gift. If I can find it. Right here. Change it from photo to paint. And that's it. Since we're only 3 minutes into this video, we're going to go straight into the next video. 9.4, managing desktop apps. We want to go to File Explorer, so let's get out of this. Copy this. File Explorer. And it gives you this options here. Go to PowerPoint Viewer. Double click this. It's going to have you install this. Continue. I'm going to pause it here in a few minutes. Right now until it gets done installing so I don't waste your time. Click Next. Take the install. And again, I'm going to pause this video again until this is done installing. Once it's done, PowerPoint Viewer setup has been completely successful. Click OK. Then we want to go to this file. In Explorer. And click on Office 14. Preview here. Right click. Go to Properties. Go to Compatibility. And run compatibility Run this program in compatibility mode 4. And run as administrator. Both those two are checked. Click OK. Now, close the, okay, we're there. Right click the start and programming features. Right click here, programming features. And we have these two things in here. This is how to install it now. Double click this. You can double click it or click on install here. Are you sure you want to install this? Yes, of course I do. It told me to. And that's the lab. As you can see, the next lab is also the challenge lab. As you will not be able to do this one, you will need to run it on a different machine. And go to the Windows Store, sign in, and all the rest of the stuff. I don't believe I've ever even signed up for this. I've never bought anything for the Windows Store yet. So anyway, that's the lab here. If you want to do the rest of the labs and answer the questions, that's fine.